Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST Ambush waterproof adventure boots. Okay, the all-new Ambush waterproof adventure boots retail for $239.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Start off with sizing. That's probably the thing I can help you out with the most. These are a 46 euro per their size chart. It equates to a 12 US. What do you know? I wear a 12 US. I put these on. They've got good width. They were comfortable to walk in. Obviously, we have an adventure boot here with a motocross style entry and exit. Each one of these adjusters can be dialed in to best suit your shape, right? Kind of fold the flap back. This is very common stuff. We've seen this on off-road boots for years. They used it here. It's effective. It's got a waterproof lining that comes up to here. Here is your waterproof gaiter, so your high water mark is going to be right around there. It's a breathable, waterproof insert. It's not a high-end one like Gore-Tex. Obviously, look at the price of the boot. For $239, you got a lot of value here. You know, it's not a high-end piece. It's a middle-of-the-road piece for somebody that wants a nice adventure-style boot but doesn't want to spend $500. And I think RST, as they always do, executed very well. The boot feels great when you have it on. There's reinforcement in the heel. There's reinforcement in the toe box. Of course, it has a moto-specific crush-proof sole, which is very important. There are pads inside of the boot to protect the ankle from impact on both sides. Got some padding up here, right, and a protector in the shin area. Overall, I think this is well executed. I also found there was enough room at the top. If you had a pair of pants, they could go inside the boot, like an inside style textile pants. These would accept it. And they also closed up tight enough at the top that an overpant would slide over the outside of the boot without any issue. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. Answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.